Welcome back to another episode of Dino's Kitchen. Summer is at the door, therefore I'm gonna show you a great summer dish, pesto. We're gonna need basil, parmesan, garlic. I know in the original one you should put pine nuts, but today I didn't find them, so we're gonna use cashew nuts instead. Olive oil. E basta, let's go. We need a blender. First of all, 4 cloves of garlic, 100 gram of salted cashew nuts, 100 gram of grated parmesan, roughly about 100 gram of olive oil. Once we have got paste like that, we can go with the basil. Basilico. We're gonna go with the first half, and now my secret ingredients. Actually, that's my nonna's secret ingredients. She used to put a little bit of ice to preserve the color. We can drizzle a little bit of olive oil. And now slowly we can add the rest of the basil. That is what we're looking for, a super green pesto. You can use the pesto straight away, or if it's too much and you wanna save the pesto, somebody save me! You can place in the freezer in jars for up to 3 months. Let's taste it. That's very good, that. Piccere,
Dimmi,
what do you want for dinner?
pesto and chicken would be nice.
Pesto and chicken. Facciamo. Let's grab chicken. Half the breast. Eggs. Black pepper. Pinch of salt. Few spoons of pesto. Cornflakes. Season the chicken, both sides. Some black pepper, egg wash, cornflakes. Don't throw that away. You can have an amazing pesto omelette. Now we're gonna make a traditional Italian bread. I'd say I'd make it. I didn't say I'd show you.
Why would you say that? That's just mean.
If you wanna see how to recreate this beautiful bread, please like and subscribe. Help me growing the channel and reach 1,000 views. Tomatoes. Some salt. Drizzle of olive oil. Massage them. Some red onion. Let's fry them for about 3 to 4 minutes. Let's pop the chicken in the oven for about 5 minutes, 200 degrees Celsius. Let's place some mozzarella on one side.
So that's my sandwich. Where's yours?
What do you mean is your sandwich? That's my sandwich. And we're gonna put some cheddar on the other. We're gonna place them in the oven, 200 degrees for about 5 minutes. Juicy. Chop the chicken, place in the bowl. Go over with some pesto. I will start with tomatoes. Don't forget the chuch. Some onions. Piccere,
Dimmi.
siamo pronti?
Happy?
Mo si fa ancora già, ci ci mamma bagnato.